We must share. Are you making it sing?
I need to lay down.
Lay down with her then. Here. Put your feet right here. Good job. Oh, scooch out. There you go. Here. Get the cow.
It's not in color. It's a color activity. It goes along. Oh, it's kind of neat. So it goes along with the book.
Play the bees. Ow!
Ow, what?
Help me.
Did it bonk you?
No, cow.
You're tough.
Cow.
You bonked yourself?
Why doesn't it have my PDF picture?
No, wait. Real sad. I need a pillow.
Take the pillow then. Do you need help?
Yeah, I need hope.
Okay. Lift your head up. There. Now you're on the pillow. Do you like that?
No,
Be careful.
Careful.
Put the button, Caroline.
Like she's reaching for it.
Put it.
Into her hand.
Careful. Oh. Here, she likes to bite it. See? They're her favorite toys. I think she's getting mad. Like she wants it.
Cool.